There are also evaluations related to market trends, among those that convinced Riva del Garda Fierecongressi to focus decisively not only on footwear with Expo Riva Schuh, but also on the renewal of Gardabags dedicated to the world of accessories such as bags and luggage. A sector that, despite not being completely saved from the grip of the crisis that has hit every fashion sector, enjoys positive prospects and good growth forecast in the coming years. For example, according to the figures of Statista, the global bag market is projected to generate revenues of 68.3 billion in 2024. If on the other hand one casts an eye into the future, we see that we can forecast an annual growth of 4% between 2024 and 2029. If the United States today generates the largest revenues, indications see the market in the Asia-Pacific region developing at the fastest annual growth rate. Demand for bags in this region has been and probably will continue to be driven by the expanding purchasing power of consumers and, on the other hand, the growing number of online shopping platforms. So the growth of the handbag and accessory market is one of the reasons why the Riva del Garda Fierecongressi is aggressively targeting and investing in the renovation of Gardabags starting in June 2025.